Hello students, I am Radhika, your English teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you a very interesting poem, The Frog and the Nightingale, written by Vikram Sage. The frog and the nightingale both are very contrasting to each other, and both the frog also compare his singing with nightingale. The Frog and the Nightingale. Once upon a time, open page number 22. Once upon a time, a frog croaked away in a bingle bong. Once upon a time, a frog lived in a bingle bong. Bingle bong, it means muddy area. Croaked away an bingle bong every night from dusk to dawn. He croaked up from every morning to night. Dusk to dawn means morning to night. He croaked his on and on and on. Other creature looted. It means feeling dislike his voice. The frog croaked his unpleasant voice from morning to night, and other creatures very upset and dislike his sound. They wanted to get rid of the voice of the frog, but alas, they had no choice. But it was so sad, they had no choice. And the crass cacophony. Cacophony is unpleasant noise, unpleasant voice. Blared out. Blared out, it means announced loudly from the sumac tree, at whose foot the frog each night minstrelled. Minstrel, it means a medieval singer, the singer of ancient time, on till morning light. The frog sat under the tree every night and croaked in his unpleasant voice till morning. Neither stone nor prayer nor stick insulted or complained or break. Everybody wanted to get rid the voice of the frog, but all in vain. They complained the frog, they threw stone on him, they threw stick and brick also, and they prayed also that, but all in vain. Still the frog determination. The frog didn't change his decision. They determined on his decision. To display his heart elation. Elation, it means great happiness. When he was singing a song, he felt a great happiness and proud himself that no one just like him in their winglebong. But one night a nightingale in the moonlight, cold and pale. One night a nightingale came, perched upon the sumac tree, and she sat the branches of the sumac tree, casting forth perch, it means stick shelter, casting forth her melody, dumbstruck sat and gasping frog. Gasping, it means to become wide open. Dumb, it means stupid. Stuck, it means hitch. And the nightingale sat the branches of the sumac tree and start singing a song in its melodious voice. All the animals gathered in open, and the stupid frog also came and gazed the sumac tree. Gaze, it means stare, sumac tree, and all the animals gazed the sumac tree, and the whole admire bog, and the whole creature of the bog admire and appreciate the voice of the nightingale. The frog was too much surprised to say this. The all creatures admire the nightingale, stared toward the sumac tree, rapt. Rapt means showing interest one particular thing. And when she had ended, clapped. All the bog's creature admire and they motivate, and the nightingale voice and clapped at the end of the poem. Thank you.